is all geared up for the world's largest vaccination drive, which is administering doses to teenagers, adults, and to the senior citizens of the country. But with every information or innovation, there comes a pool of rumors. Rumors that give rise to speculations which are clearly baseless, nonsense, and rubbish. There are several posts on various aspects of fighting COVID-19 which are being circulated on social media and messaging services like WhatsApp, and we personally urge you to not trust those unverified content. To separate fact from fiction, we are sharing this video with you that can help you develop trust on the vaccine. And we will also be sharing few rumors related to the spread of this second wave that has been doing rounds on WhatsApp. First on our list is, if a neighbor below my house has contracted COVID-19, can I also contract the virus just by the virtue of living in the house above? Okay, so there is no data regarding the same. However, the use of common areas like staircases, elevators, the virus does have some chances of spreading. So in order to curtail the spread, it is advised that we maintain social distancing, wear a double mask whenever stepping out of our homes if that is the last alternative, and continue to sanitize our hands or wash with soap and water. Second on our list is, can women take COVID-19 vaccines during menstruation? Okay, so menstruation has nothing to do with the vaccination. Gynecologists have confirmed that vaccine is completely safe during menstruation. Please share this message with every woman you know and stop forwarding these false claims on social media. Okay, so can the sewage lines running through the houses be a source of the virus traveling? Should one be keeping the water closet flap shut while using the flush? Okay, with respect to the sewage lines, the water closet flap, and even the exhaust fans installed in the bathrooms, I can only say that there has been no data to prove any of these statements. Please do not get taken in by all of this. All you are required to follow is a COVID appropriate behavior, and that's it. Now, one of the main reasons why people hesitate to take the jab is the rumor on the vaccine's safety. Reports of blood clots after taking the AstraZeneca vaccine in Europe had also made people here in India more hesitant to take any vaccine. Doctors have, however, said that there is no need for any hesitancy, as there has been no reported major side effects of either Covishield or Covaxin in India. No blood clots have been reported in India post-vaccination. Some side effects may be seen in the 0.0001% population. Now there's one more popular rumor regarding infertility in men and women regarding their post-vaccination. This rumor is completely disproven in the clinical trials and continues to be disproven in the real time as more women of childbearing age become fully vaccinated. Women who participated in the COVID-19 clinical trials were able to conceive even after the vaccination. Some became pregnant afterwards, some are in their first trimester, or some are now in their second trimester as per the German epidemiologist. So the next on our list is, do they contain meat? Is it safe for me to take for religious reasons if I do not eat pork or beef? Okay, so the vaccine manufacturers like Pfizer, Moderna, and AstraZeneca have rejected in vain the allegations of using pork. In fact, the British government has said that the vaccine do not contain any components of animal origin. It was Muslims, Hindus, and even Jews who questioned the composition. However, if you still have some queries which are not answered here, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Government of India have come out with a list of detailed answers for FAQs and COVID-19 vaccines in order to spread awareness and dispel rumor mongering. There you can find the detailed information starting from the composition to if they are really licensed or not. Okay, so in the end, we just want to request you to pay little more respect to science than your WhatsApp forwards, because if you can have an access to WhatsApp, you can also have an access to the verified sources for the real information. Thank you.